Interactions in ecosystem. You are probably aware that the biosphere is a complex mechanism. Have you ever wondered what makes it complex and dynamic? At the same time, stable too. It is the interaction between various components of biosphere. We will now be discussing these interactions in the biosphere. Ecosystems are the units of biosphere. The components of an ecosystem fall into two categories: biotic or living and abiotic or non-living. There are interactions and intra-actions in these components. Intra-actions in biotic components or interactions among biotic components. The producers, consumers, and decomposers are called biotic components. The major interaction among these components is the passing of food materials and energy from one to the other. Moreover, the carbon dioxide released by all consumers is used by plants, and all other living forms use the oxygen released by plants. There are other interactions also among biotic components, like plants depending on animals for pollination, dispersal of seeds, etc. How do the biotic components interact with abiotic components? This is very simple to understand. All living things need water, which they get from the environment. Plants use solar energy, which is the ultimate source of energy for all living things. Plants use minerals obtained from soil, and all living things add organic materials to soil on death and decay. Oxygen from plants and carbon dioxide from animals enter into the atmosphere. Thus, the list is quite long. These interactions lead to biogeochemical cycles. There is interaction among abiotic components also. Sunlight increases temperature, and thus evaporation from water bodies increases. This in turn increases the humidity of the atmosphere. Accumulation of water vapor will lead to rainfall. There are many more such interactions. Thus, it is very obvious that these interactions make ecosystem a self-sustaining one. To sum it up, factors like solar energy, water, wind, temperature, humidity, atmospheric gases, soil factors, living things, etc. interact and create a dynamic equilibrium, maintaining the biosphere.